Hello everyone, this is Dashini, and in this video we are going to be talking about how to check whether you're moving towards the right trajectory of life using the mirror principle. By the end of this video, you will learn the two simple questions you can ask yourself to keep a check on your trajectory of life. What you get is a reflection of who you are. This is the mirror principle. So, what do I exactly mean? If you love yourself and see yourself as capable of achieving anything even before achieving the goals, then the mirror will reflect that as your reality. This is why visualization is so powerful. When you keep imagining yourself as the ideal person you're intending to become while constantly working towards your goal, you will definitely achieve your goal. But the problem is that results does not show up immediately. There is a delay time before reality manifests our desires. Many people just give up before the reality manifests because it takes some time depending upon how big your goal is. If you get frustrated and give up, what else can the universe do other than not giving you your goal? But on the other hand, if you can trust yourself long enough and work consistently with a relaxed state of mind, then your goal will be definitely manifested. What you get is a reflection of who you are. Because if you're a person who gives up easily, it's hard to be successful. However, if you're persistent with your goals, despite failures, you will be successful. Hit the like button if you're enjoying this video so far. Now, let's continue with the video. Let's take another example. There are two people. One has a positive attitude towards life and is grateful for everything he has. Another one has a negative attitude towards life and always complains and expresses dissatisfaction towards life. Now, who do you think is going to achieve their goals? Our external world is just a reflection of our internal world. Who you are in your internal world for an extended period of time becomes your external reality. For example, if you're a person who chooses to go to the gym instead of watching Netflix, you will become stronger, energetic, and healthy. But instead, if you choose to watch Netflix instead of going to the gym, then you will be lazy and sitting in the couch all day. So, whoever you choose to be reflects on the outside. So, observe yourself and make sure that your internal world is aligned to what you expect to see in your external world. For example, you want to make more money, then find ways to give more money to others. Whatever you give is what you get from the universe. If you have a scarcity mindset, then you won't be able to give, so you can't receive more. Whereas, if you have an abundant mindset, you'll find it easy to give. This is not only in terms of money. Whatever you give will come back to you in multiple folds. So, as I promised, we've come to those two questions that you can use to check whether you're moving towards the right trajectory of life. 1. Do I trust myself that I can achieve my goals? 2. What's my attitude towards life? If the answer to these two questions are positive, it means you're moving towards the right trajectory of life. If not, it's time to do some introspection and see what can be done to move towards a better trajectory of life. Stay tuned for my next video on self-awareness, which can help you on that. Subscribe to this channel if you want to learn more about the mindset required to make your life amazing. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I genuinely hope that this video was helpful. Share this video with your friends and family if you find this video worth it. Comment down below about your experience after following these steps. And see you in the next video.